Well, Republican lawmakers trying to alleviate some of the restrictions facing sober living homes put in place during Obamacare and through other federal laws. One America's Neil W. McCabe has more on this from Washington.
California Republican Congressman Dana Rohrabacher testified Friday before the House Judiciary Committee in support of his bill that empowers local communities to regulate so-called sober living homes that have sprung up in his and other districts.
What happens when people come to Washington thinking they're going to do good for their local communities, we find out that it's better for the local communities to be doing good.
The hearing was chaired by Iowa Republican Congressman Steve King.
Some sober living homes, according to testimony submitted to this committee, are either poorly managed or are run by operators who dangerously exploit their residents, and that's for profit.
Incoming Huntington Beach Mayor Erik Peterson told One American News the Rohrabacher bill would allow communities like his city to perform routine functions that are banned by sections of federal law, including Obamacare and the Americans with Disabilities Act.
If it was any other business, including foster care, people taking care of children in need, we would have to be licensed and we can tell them where to go and how many can be in a neighborhood. But with this, we have no way to do anything.
Peterson said that sober living homes are fed new residents by body brokers who recruit individuals in recovery from across the country for commissions. In the end, the city is the one picking up the tab and cleaning up the mess, he said.
The cop on the beat is dealing with both aspects of it. One, the drug use in the house, the complaints from the neighbors, and then the aftermath of when those people get booted from the house and they end up as part of our homeless population.
The Rohrabacher bill, H.R. 5724, would allow municipalities to regulate sober living homes for the purposes of neighborhood zoning and health and welfare.
Our people have been suffering now because we have a lot of goodwill here in Washington, but we have created a situation where sober living homes, meaning drug addicts and alcoholics, are being put into residential neighborhoods throughout our country, and families are being subjected to this. But also right next door you might have a sober living home and the price of your own house, the value of your home goes down. So we are actually penalizing local residents and not helping those people who are afflicted with drug addiction.
Rohrabacher is one of the most libertarian members of Congress. For libertarians, if you can't get the government out of the way, at least you can bring the decisions as close to the local people as possible. Neil W. McCabe, One American News, Washington.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One American News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One American News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.